When I first started, I sold Bryant, which is a line of Carrier, and I had a system that had a premature compressor failure outside the 30-day DOA guarantee window. And even though it had only been installed 6 months earlier, instead of giving me a whole new condenser, they only gave me a compressor. The good news is they were still there to honor the warranty on that equipment, but if that was a Daikin condenser, I would have been able to put in a brand new unit and sent the old condenser to Daikin, and they would analyze why it failed prematurely. Now you are probably saying to yourself, okay, that makes sense and sounds reasonable. After all, everything is made all over the world, aka China, now anyways, so it's not that far-fetched to think that all manufacturers get some of their components from similar factories and then piecemeal them together in their own factory, put a logo on it, and call it a day.